Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0880-17 signifies a power input signal high issue present in a 2023 Honda CR-V. This indicates that the transmission control module, TCM, has detected that the voltage in its power supply circuit is above the specified threshold, suggesting a possible abnormality in the system. The TCM is a critical component that manages various aspects of transmission operation. It interprets signals from various sensors to control gear shifting and optimize vehicle performance. This DTC coding prompts immediate attention as it can affect transmission functionality and overall driving experience. It is also vital to comprehensively understand what can cause this error and how to rectify it to prevent further complications. In cases where a high-voltage battery, like a 24-volt system, is connected, this DTC may erroneously register, so it's essential to also check the battery setup. The error described by DTC P0880-17 revolves around the power supply circuit feeding the transmission control module, TCM. This component is integral to the vehicle's transmission system, residing typically close to the transmission assembly itself. The TCM's primary role is to receive input signals from vehicle sensors and, based on this data, manage gear shifts to ensure seamless vehicle operation. If it detects a voltage reading that exceeds predetermined limits in its power supply circuit, it flags this as an abnormality. Such a malfunction can lead to improper transmission behavior, affecting not just vehicle performance, but also safety. In summary, the TCM's location and function are pivotal, and understanding its operation helps in diagnosing related issues more effectively. Several factors can potentially trigger the DTC P0880-17, indicating that the power input signal is high. One possible cause is the connection of a high-voltage battery, such as a 24-volt system, to the vehicle, which can lead to misinterpretation of normal voltage levels. Secondly, corrosion on the 12-volt battery terminals can disrupt electrical connections and circulate erroneous signals to the TCM. The integrity of connections in the power circuit is also crucial. If there are loose terminals or frayed wiring, it can result in abnormal voltage readings. Each of these issues requires careful inspection and rectification to restore the correct operation and functionality of the transmission control system. Addressing these areas can often resolve the DTC, ensuring reliable vehicle performance. When the DTC P0880-17 is triggered, you may observe a range of symptoms related to transmission performance. Most notably, the vehicle may experience various transmission issues, including delayed engagement or unexpected shifting behavior, which can affect driving comfort and safety. Additionally, the check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard, serving as a critical warning sign that something is amiss within the vehicle's electronic systems. Drivers might also notice difficulty in changing gears or erratic performance when accelerating, indicating that the TCM struggles to interpret and manage input signals correctly. These symptoms signify that immediate attention is required to troubleshoot and rectify the problem, as neglecting these signs may lead to more severe transmission issues down the line. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0880-17 involves turning the vehicle ignition to the on position and waiting for at least 8 seconds. This action allows the TCM to power up and facilitates the proper initialization of its internal systems. It is imperative to ensure that the vehicle's electrical systems are appropriately engaged during this period, as this step sets the groundwork for further diagnostics and potential code clearing. By allowing sufficient time for the TCM to stabilize, you increase the likelihood of obtaining an accurate diagnosis in subsequent steps. This initial procedure also helps verify if the DTC persists, influencing how the technician may proceed with additional troubleshooting. If the issue remains unresolved or has changed, each phase of troubleshooting builds on the previous steps to lead to a comprehensive understanding of the dysfunction. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P0880-17, it is essential to conduct a final verification process to ensure that the issue has truly been resolved. This begins with clearing any Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, stored in the vehicle's computer. Following this, a thorough road test should be performed to observe the vehicle's behavior under normal operating conditions. This is critical for confirming that the transmission performs seamlessly without recurrence of symptoms. During this road test, pay attention to any abnormalities in shifting or other transmission-related functions. Lastly, after driving the vehicle, it's important to recheck for any new or lingering DTCs, ensuring that the power input signal high error has been effectively addressed. This final step solidifies the diagnosis and repair process, giving drivers peace of mind regarding their vehicle's reliability. To prevent the reoccurrence of issues related to DTC P0880-17 in the future, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Regularly checking the battery condition plays a pivotal role in ensuring that voltage levels remain stable and within specifications. Equally important is the inspection of electrical connectors throughout the vehicle, as loose or corroded connections can lead to various electrical faults, including high voltage readings. Keeping battery terminals clean and free of corrosion not only promotes better conductivity, but also extends the life of both the battery and the electronic components it powers. By prioritizing these preventive measures, vehicle owners can mitigate risks of similar diagnostic trouble codes emerging, ultimately ensuring a smoother and more reliable driving experience. Preventive care provides long-term benefits, enhancing vehicle performance and reducing future repair costs. In conclusion, understanding the implications of Diagnostic Trouble Code P0880-17 is crucial for any Honda CR-V owner dealing with potential transmission issues. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, serves a vital function, managing power input and ensuring optimal transmission performance. Any irregularities, such as a high voltage reading, can trigger significant issues. Thus, understanding how to troubleshoot and resolve them is essential. Moreover, the emphasis on preventive maintenance cannot be overstated. Regularly checking battery conditions and electrical connections significantly aids in prolonging the life of crucial vehicle components. By following proper troubleshooting procedures and maintaining routine checks, drivers can enjoy a reliable and safe driving experience. Awareness and proactive measures lead to a smoother functioning vehicle, translating to fewer unexpected repairs and a more satisfying ownership experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.